Oral hygiene is an integral part of our overall health. But which toothpaste are you brushing your teeth with? Have you been using Colgate? It is very important to use the right toothpaste. Now the thing is that there are n number of toothpaste in the market. Every other month there is a new toothpaste being launched. How do we decide which toothpaste to buy? Well, I can help you with that. For this video, I bought 10 most popular toothpaste in the Indian market. I will quickly analyze each of them, and by the end of this video, you will know if you should continue using your current toothpaste or is it the time for a change. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. I have segregated all these toothpastes in 8 major categories on the basis of similarity of ingredients. Even if I have missed the toothpaste which you have been using, I assure it would fall under one of these 8 categories. Starting with category number 1, which includes Colgate, Pepsodent and Close-Up. These are commercial toothpaste which are so popular that for a major percentage of people, toothpaste means Colgate. These are the toothpaste that include all chemical ingredients, some of which are extremely harmful. Sodium lauryl sulfate is one example. If you find sodium lauryl sulfate in the list of ingredients of your toothpaste, please consider changing it. It is because of this chemical that you taste everything bitter just after brushing. SLS also causes skin irritation and mouth ulcers. Sodium lauryl sulfate has been registered as an insecticide and is used in detergents. Regularly brushing teeth with a toothpaste containing SLS may lead to its deposit in the heart, liver, lungs and brain. Next point of contention is the amount of fluoride in these toothpaste. Yes, there are many dentists who claim fluoride to be the best defense against tooth decay. Many studies have also proved the same. However, there have been certain set of studies which suggest the contrary. Is fluoride justified in toothpaste or not may be debatable, but one thing is for sure that fluoride is poisonous. Ingesting just 2.8 grams of fluoride can kill a 50 kg adult. These toothpaste contain enough fluoride to kill a small child within 2 to 4 hours if ingested. The warning that children under 6 years of age should have adult supervision and should not swallow this toothpaste is written for a reason. We must understand that our mouth is highly absorbent, so the chemicals lurking in the toothpaste get fast track in our bloodstream, especially children who swallow a large amount of toothpaste that they put in their mouth. If fluoride is so poisonous, then regularly brushing teeth with a fluoridated toothpaste can definitely harm you in the long run. One more thing that should be taken into consideration is that the water that we drink is already fluoridated. I wouldn't say that you should stop or continue using a fluoridated toothpaste. You are a better judge for yourself. But personally, I don't use it, neither will I recommend it. Especially because there are better toothpaste in the market which we will discuss in this video. So please keep watching. As for these commercial toothpaste, forget fluoride. They have so much more which should be avoided. Category number 2 is that of the toothpaste like Sensodyne, which have almost the same chemical composition as that of the toothpaste in category number 1, except that they do not contain harmful chemicals like sodium lauryl sulfate. Just like the toothpaste in category number 1, they also have artificial colors, preservatives and fluoride in them. In category number 3 falls Himalaya Sparkling White toothpaste, which has the chemical composition without harmful ingredients like sodium lauryl sulfate. Himalaya Sparkling White toothpaste also does not have fluoride in it. Surely the toothpaste in this category are better than those in category 1 and 2, but still they are far from the best. Toothpaste like Dabur Meswak fall in category number 4, which are non-fluoridated but have almost the same chemicals as those in category number 1, including the harmful ones like sodium lauryl sulfate. Apart from SLS, they also contain triclosan, which is another extremely dangerous chemical already banned in soaps. Triclosan is linked to breast and testicular cancer. You will rarely find triclosan in any toothpaste. Dabur Meswak and Colgate Total are among the rare ones. Meswak also contains artificial colors and preservatives. In category number 5 are toothpaste like Patanjali's Dant Kanti, another extremely popular toothpaste in India. This toothpaste is much better than the ones we have discussed till now. It is made from no chemicals but herbal Ayurvedic ingredients. It also does not have any artificial colors. However, the only thing which doesn't let me recommend it to you is that it has fluoride in it. Category number 6 is that of the toothpaste like Hindustan Unilever Limited's Ayush whitening toothpaste with rock salt. It has all herbal ingredients and does not even have fluoride in it. It however has artificial colors and preservatives in it. One thing I want you to know is that not all toothpaste made under Ayush are non-fluoridated. For example, their clove toothpaste has fluoride in it. So before you buy this brand, please check for it once. In category number 7 falls Dabur Red toothpaste, which has herbal ingredients, no fluoride content and not even artificial colors. It is a great choice. The last and the final category includes toothpaste like Vicco Vajradanti, which is a complete Ayurvedic toothpaste devoid of any chemicals, fluoride and artificial colors. It is the only toothpaste among the ones we have discussed that does not even use any preservatives. It is a perfect blend of 18 Ayurvedic herbs and barks. It is totally safe for kids. It is also very cheap as compared to the other commercial toothpastes. In my opinion, it is the best toothpaste available in the Indian market. So according to me, Vicco Vajradanti stands on top of the list, followed by Dabur Red, Ayush and Patanjali. The commercial toothpaste like Colgate, Close-Up and Pepsodent being the least preferred. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you have got an idea if you need to change your toothpaste or not. And as I said before, if I missed the toothpaste which you have been using, please check its ingredients and you will surely find it in one of these 8 categories. Let me know in the comment section which toothpaste have you been using and would you now be changing it or not? And if yes, which one will you buy? If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and also let me know what more content would you like to see on this channel. As always, please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.